Where are we going?
To the store.
To the store? Why are we going to the store?
Because we're gonna get candy and we're gonna see what do I like. Like what candy do I like?
All the Spanish snacks and candies. Jelica's gonna try it out and see if she's gonna like all the flavors and.
I hope I don't get tummy
I hope you're not gonna get tummy ache. Are you gonna get a lot? No.
Because the virus.
Yep. Okay, ready?
My break?
Yeah. Let's go to the car.
Okay guys, we're in the car. And don't forget to put on your seatbelt. See you! Eat first. Let's go to McDonald's. McDonald's. This is all for me.
Can you finish all those?
Do you know you can dip French fries in ice cream?
Is it good? Try it. Okay.
Hey guys,
Okay.
it's me. I asked. Ooh, look at this. It's together, guys. I mean, you still know that you can dip French fries in ice cream, but when you dip it in this, it's so yummy. Yummy. So, how's the day? Good. My day was good. Having your day. Was it good? I'm strawberry. I can get something. So cool, Mama. Everything's dripping on me. Everything's dripping on me. My turn to white. My done turned white. Wait. Two more. There's two more in the bag. You have my mouth. You like my outfit? Hi. I'm a fashionista. And I'm a YouTuber. Bye. See you. These are toppings and these are shrimp. These are the noodles and there's egg. I don't know. Ooh, I want to try this. Look at them. Ooh. Oh, let's look at it. What are these? Gummies? Green. Go to the snack aisle. Carry here. You're going to pay now. It's so loud. Wait. Free! Hello guys, I'm back. I'm ready to eat these candies. And these are one of my favorites. I eat them. Let's get started. Let's try this.
It's hard.
It's hard.
Let me see what it is. It's this one. Ooh.
Look guys. Pink.
Mm-hmm. Does it taste like fruity?
It tastes like gummy and it's like soda.
Is it like a chewy candy?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What flavor? Do you know? Because it says here, it looks like it has like
It's like gummy flavor.
It's gummy flavor.
It tastes good.
Okay, let's try another one.
Let me guess it's not so something like this. Alright, eat this. Because remember, I like it.
Can you show the bag to me? It's what? Oh, it's marshmallow. Let me see. It's covered with chocolate. And it's Jelica's favorite.
And there's marshmallow.
Okay, you can take one back from here, and this is all like mixed candies. Everything's in there, and you can open it. You can pick one or two or three. I'm gonna put it on.
Oh, this is good.
Whoa!
Can I jump into this side? Jump. No, I'm not gonna jump in.
Whoa! There's so many. There's lollipops, like heart lollipop.
What's this?
Is it like a marshmallow? Oh, eggs, something. Oh, and
Eggs.
there's gummies. And all kinds of stuff.
This is what I picked.
Okay, open it. We'll try it.
I'm still eating the marshmallows. Ooh, red one. I'm a gummy bear. When I ate the marshmallow, the chocolate marshmallow, then I ate the gummies. It tastes different. Oh, and I can taste it. It tastes a little bit sour. I like it.
You like it? Okay, let's move on. Let's open another one.
I really want to try this.
Is it like an egg?
It's like a sprout egg. Oh, this is a cool egg. Look at the egg. It looks like I hatched a baby egg.
It's like Hatchimals.
Oh, wait, what?
Is it?
Hatchimals?
I don't know. Oopsie.
It's okay.
It sounds like.
I do. No, I'm not gonna do that. What do I do with this?
Maybe. No, okay, let's move on. Let's open the box. Right there.
Oh, what's gonna do this?
Jelica, let's open this one.
One day I ate this. One day I ate this because my daddy bought it.
Let's see what's inside.
Yeah, let's see what's inside. Coconut and if you don't remember that those things, there's like chips and gummies. And I ate this and it's my favorite. I didn't eat the lollipop. I ate this and then ate this and then eat it. It's not beauty, little egg. some chips. Oh, there, guys. Here's what I showed you. Sugary. But what happened to this heart face? Wait. I see you. And then some gummies. And let me just put everything here. So we'll hatch these eggs. So what should I do? Let's start with this.
Hey, tell me, what does it taste like?
Nothing but good.
Nothing but it's good.
That's fine.
Okay, you want to open the other box? The orange
Mhm.
one? Look.
You remember this?
The orange box. Oh, no, the box, the orange one.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's see.
Let's see what's inside.
Yay! And I'm a unicorn. Ooh, soda gummies. Now let me show you the others.
Marshmallow.
Marshmallows. I don't know what these are, but okay. Get on. Oh, Mama Gummy Bear.
More gummies.
More gummies. This table is getting dark. See if through the window. You gotta be on camera. Oh guys, this is too much. I think I can't finish this and I think it's too much.
So far, do you like all the candies? Do you have your favorites? Which one is your favorite so far? The one in the boxes? And the marshmallows?
I want this.
Mm-hmm.
So, this and this. This one. Oh, the end. No, this. Yep. Bye. Bye. And I'm a fashionista. Bye. And don't forget